Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the SANSI 8W 5000 K Daylight 800 lumen, and it's an A15 LED bulb. And this bulb will automatically goes on from dusk till dawn. It is 80. It is a replaceable, or it is a replacement bulb for an 80-watt old school bulb. It's really easy. You have to remove the old one and then enter the new bulb by rotating it right turn into your socket. It's available with a socket of E24 and no, it's E27. Sorry about this, and of course the standard way of the E26. It is a 15 shape and standard E26, or it's available with the E27 socket, so you can replace your bulbs easily. It has an excellent performance. It costs only $0.96 per year operate, based on 3 hours per day, making it an economical alternative to incandescent bulbs. It's replacing the 80 to 60 watt incandescent light bulbs with only 8 watt. Save more than 90% energy to cut down your annual bill. And it's smaller but brighter. That bulb is much smaller than a 60 up to 80 watt incandescent. It provides a high 800 lumen bright output. It's ideal for home, kitchen, bathroom, table lamp, bedroom, living room, etc. And it's really awesome because there is a sensor inside, and this sensor will automatically switch on and switch off the bulb. It's really awesome. The only thing you have to do is install it, of course. From dawn to dusk, brightness will up to more than 45 lux. It will automatically shut off. From dusk till dawn, the brightness will more than 15 lux. It will go automatically on. That means if the dusk is coming and the light is going down, the electronic parts inside this LED will know this, and then it will switch on automatically. And if the dawn is coming and the light rises up, then it will automatically switch off. That will save you energy. That will save you a lot of money. Extend the lifetime up to 25,000 hours. It has a ceramic heat dissipation panel, a hollow out design, a photocell sensor inside, and in this case it's an E27 base. No flicker. Here you can see my video. No flicker. Auto on and off. It's for indoor and outdoor lighting. Use in the transparent fixture. Keep bulbs at least 1.5 meters apart when parallel mounting to prevent interferences. This is the thing what you have to look about. But other, no problem. Switch the light on and the light will goes on primary, okay, but then the light detecting sensor will choose the right option. After 3 until 5 minutes, it will switch automatically off, and if it is dark, it will come back and will switch on automatically. It's really awesome for porch light, for wall light, for garage lights and garden lights too. You do not have to use a switch only once to enable the power supply. And then job's done. 500 Kelvin, 800 lumen. This will replace 60 watt bulbs. E27 socket, 8 watt power. Awesome, awesome, awesome. With a correlated color temperature of 5000 Kelvin and high CR 80 plus, this 80 watt bulb provides soft white light, creating comfortable atmosphere without lead, mercury, UV or IR. This 8 volt bulb provides a flicker-free, buzz-free light glow. And you can see it works proper, and it makes a nice light inside or outside. But take care, outside there have to be a light option around it to seal it. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.